The Buddha said, "My Buddha field is always this pure. It is just that you failed to see its purity." Similarly, when different God beings eat the same food, they experience different tastes due to variations of their merits. Likewise, living beings have different karmas, so some cannot see the splendor of the Buddha field. Those who have a pure mind can see the purity of everything. The Flower Garland Sutra also says, just as the mind king jewel appears in different colors to different minds, when minds are pure, they can see pure lands. As it is said in many tantras, if the mind is pure, even hell is a blissful pure land. If the mind is impure, even the pure land is a filthy place. For example, when a person with a pure mind visits Mount Wutai, he will feel it is no different from a paradise on earth. The monastics appear stately and elegant, and all the mountains and rivers are within the realm of Dharmakaya, the space of emptiness. In contrast, a person with a tainted mind will only see the mountains as ordinary, and the people as those with heavy afflictions, so the person's trip to Mount Wutai will end up uninspiring.